Okay, you guys, Queens of Thrones. I've been using this castor oil on my belly and on my thyroid every night. And let me tell you, it just helps with digestion, female regulating hormones, anti-aging, nice and calming to our belly. So you rub it on. She also has this brand new rose quartz roll-on, which is so much more efficient. But this is what I have right now. Then what you do is you put on your belly, and you wrap around and you tie it and you go to sleep, or you put it more on the side around the liver. Once again, tie it and just go to sleep. Super easy. Then I follow up with putting this one on my thyroid recently. So I put a little oil around my neck and then I tighten this, and then that's how I go to sleep. Helping my thyroid, helping my digestion, helping my liver, and anti-aging in the most natural way.